Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna teach you all about poetry, what poetry is, how you can create virtual environment with poetry. So, first of all, let me give you the simple definition of poetry. Poetry is actually used to create virtual environment, and it stores that virtual environment in centralized cache directory. It is used for dependency management and packaging in Python. And basically, it is designed to manage multiple projects, keeping virtual environment separate from project directory itself. So this is the overall definition of poetry. Let's move toward the installation process of the poetry. As you can see in your screen, there are different installation guide for installing poetry, but I had already installed poetry with the help of PPX. And if you are planning to install the poetry with the help of PPX, then you have to install the PPX into your system. So here is the documentation of the PPX. Or you can find the installation guide to install the PPX according to your operating system. You can also install PPX with the help of pip. So let me show you. So here is the command which is allow you to install the PPX with the help of pip. So by executing this command into your terminal, it will install PPX. And after installing the PPX, you can ensure the path by executing this command. And to check the version of PPX, you can execute this command. So after installing the PPX, you can install Poetry by executing this PPX install Poetry. This will install the Poetry into your system. Basically, the PPX is a tool that is used to install a package globally in isolated environment. So now let's move toward the project directory where we want to make the use of poetry. This is a project directory where I want to create the Django project by setting version environment with the help of poetry. To initialize the poetry, I have to write the command poetry init. It will create the file by project.oml, or I have to write the package name. Let me press enter. It will take the default name. Enter ion to skip. Now it created the pyproject.toml file, and in this file, it keep the Python version, and if you add the dependency, it is shown inside this the section. Now let me add the package. I'm planning to create the Django project, so for that, let me install the Django poetry add Django. Let write the fixed Django version. Django is equal to 5.0. Currently, I'm installing the Django version 5. So first of all, it create the virtual environment into the cache directory, and after that, it will install the Django package. While installing the Django package, it create the poetry.log file. Basically, this file is used to record the exact version of dependencies that project use. Here the Django is installed into this virtual environment. Let me check whether Django is installed successfully or not. One thing you can notice that the Django with version 5 is included here. It means that it is installed. So another way you can check the Django version is installed or not, you can write poetry run Django admin hyphen hyphen version. So you can see it show the version 5. So it means that the Django version 5 is installed successfully. Now let me create the Django project with Django admin start project. Let me pass the Django project name, Django P, and my dot. mm, The Django project is great. Now let me run the Django server, Python manage.py, run server. Now it's running the Django server. As you can see, we set up the Django successfully. And currently I'm using the Django version 5. Now I want to upgrade this version. So for that, how you can do that? So to upgrade the Django version, I'm gonna change this to caret. It is necessary to write the caret in front of Django version if you want Poetry to automatically upgrade this version. So let me save this and let me write Poetry update. Now it is updating the Django version. Now let me check the Django version. Poetry on Django admin hyphen version. As you can see, the Django version 5.1.7 is installed successfully. A different way you can run the Django server. Um, Currently, I'm running the Django server by writing the poetry run python manage.py run server. If you want to activate the virtual environment into this terminal, then you can write poetry shell and the virtual environment is activated into this terminal. It is not necessary to write the poetry run in front of the command. You can directly write the python manage.py run server. Then this will run the server. Let me refresh this page and the server is running. Let me kill the server and exist. To see the uh, name of virtual environment, then you can write the poetry env list. It will list the virtual environment that you are using. So this is the name of the virtual environment we are using. And if you if you want to see the path where the virtual environment is created, then you can check. You can write the command poetry env info. It show the virtual environment path. Let me copy this here and let me paste here. And this is a virtual environment we are currently using. So as you can see, this is the virtual environment we are currently using. And if you want to remove the virtual environment, then you can write the command poetry env remove. Then you have to pass the name of the virtual environment that you want to remove. So let me copy this and paste it here. And this will remove the virtual environment we are currently using. So let me see on here. As you can see, the virtual environment that we are using is not exist anymore. In the case of PyProject is already available, you can install the dependencies by writing the command poetry install. It will simply install the dependencies that are included over the PyProject file. As you can see, you're currently installing the project. Ignore this error. Now let me run the server again. Poetry run manage.py, and let me refresh this, and the Django server is running. To remove the package, you can write the poetry remove. Currently we are using the Django, so let me remove the Django. Poetry remove Django, and this will remove the Django package from the from this Porsche environment. So Django is removed. Now let me run the server again, and it will show the error that the no model name Django. So in this way you can install package, remove package, and upgrade package in the Poetry.